Here and give you a quick demo to show you how I find and open apps on my MacBook computer using the VoiceOver screen reader. So here we go. One way that I like to do it is using Spotlight Search. In order to activate that feature, you just press Command and Spacebar and a dialog box will appear in which you can type in the name of the app you are looking for. So here we go.
Spotlight.
There's a dialog box. I'm going to type in Google.
GL. Text inserted. Application. Chrome. New tab. Google Chrome. Window. New tab.
Okay, and it opened Google Chrome. I heard it tell me that I was in Google Chrome, so I'm going to quit it by pressing down the Command and the letter Q.
Hold Q to quit. Finder.
And there it is. It's gone now. Another way I like to use, and it's my preferred way, is using Launchpad. In order to launch Launchpad, you press down the FN key, which is in the lower left-hand corner of the keyboard, and the F4 key, which is in the top row of the function keys. So here we go.
In App Store, content is empty App Store.
Okay, and I'm going to type in Z for Zoom, because that's going to be the app I want to open this time.
Zoom Us. Application.
And I just heard Zoom Us, so in order for me to activate it, to launch it, I'm just going to press the Enter key.
Finder. Zoom Us. Zoom. Window. Home.
Okay, and I just heard Zoom Us window, so I know that that application is open. So I'm going to close it now by pressing Command Q again.
Finder. Desktop.
There it is. Okay, another way is by going to the dock. In order for me to access anything on the dock, I have to use my VoiceOver modifier keys, which are Control Option. And I'm going to add in the letter D for dock in order to move to the dock. So here we go. Control Option D.
Dock. Safari 5 of 28.
It told me I'm on Safari, but let's say if I wanted to go to Zoom, I could press the letter Z and it will jump me to Zoom.
Zoom Us. 19 of 28.
And there it is on Zoom. But I don't want to go to Zoom. Let's mix it up and go to Safari. So I'm going to press S to go back to Safari.
Safari 5 of 28.
Okay, there it is. I'm on Safari. It says Safari 5 of 28. In order for me to open the app, I have to use my VoiceOver modifier keys again, which are Control Option and then the space bar.
Finder. Desktop. Macintosh HD. Safari. Start page. Window. Tool.
Okay, and there we are on Safari. I'm not going to dig into it because this is just to show you how I locate the apps that I'm looking for. So I'm going to quit it.
Tool. Finder. Desktop.
Okay, another way is by using Option S. Option S is a built-in Mac OS keyboard shortcut that anyone can use, sighted or not. So you want to use the Option key to the bottom right of your keyboard and the letter S for Safari. So here we go. Option S.
Safari. Start page. Window. Toolbar.
And there it is. So I'm going to quit it now because, like I said, we're not digging into the apps. We're just showing you how I find and open them.
Tool. Finder. Desktop.
Okay, another way you can open apps, locate them and open them, which I never use because it's kind of convoluted, especially if you're using VoiceOver, and that's by going to the Applications folder in Finder. In order to get to that, you have to press the Command, Shift, and the letter A. And again, this is a native Mac OS keyboard shortcut that anyone can use, sighted or not. So I'm going to press down Command, Shift, and the letter A.
Applications. Now in Applications window.
And it told me I'm in the Applications folder. And because I'm a VoiceOver user, I have to do what's called interact with this section. In order for me to do that, I have to use my VoiceOver modifier keys again, which are Control Option, and then I have to add in the Shift down arrow in order to move into the folder.
App Store. App Application.
Okay, and I'm in, and the App Store is the first app in my Applications folder because they are listed alphabetically. But if I wanted to go to Safari, I would just press the letter S.
Safari App Application.
And that jumps me to Safari. So if I wanted to open it, again, I would press Control Option Spacebar.
Safari. Start page. Window.
And there is Safari. So those are the 5 ways I know about in order to look for and open apps on Mac OS. So I'm going to quit Safari by Command Q,
Tool. Finder. Applications. Window.
and the Finder window is still open. So you can never quit this because it's always running in the background. So the only thing I can do is close it by pressing Command and W.
Close window. Macintosh HD.
And that is going to be it for this. So I just wanted to give you guys an idea as to how I navigate and find apps on my MacBook Air. Talk to you later.
Application. Close button. Capture. Stop screen recording button. You are currently